Hey, Alex. Hey, Noah. Alex, what are you doing? Did Andy drop a toy down the stairs? It's okay. Hey, show us how you jump like Noah. Woo! Hey, Alex, can you say I love you, Dad? Hi. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Noah says hi. Alex.
Hi.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Alex, show us how you jump before you say bye. Alex, jump, 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 jump. Just circles this morning.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Love you.